What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Khadija and we are back with another natural hair tutorial. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. Today we're working with IDN Beauty. We are installing their 16-inch kinky curly clip-ins and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. If you want to get this hair, go ahead and click the link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other product from IDN Beauty, then go ahead and check out their website in my description as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So the clip-ins come with little clips on them, little combs that you just pop open, put underneath your hair, and then you just close it. So it's super easy to install. And then it has the seamless band on it, so it blends more easier with your hair. This is it. So we received 2 packs, and then 2 packs has like 7 pieces of clip-ins with different sizes. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. So I wanted to do like a tribal style design in the front, add some braids to my hair before I install the clip-ins. Alright guys, so this is what the front is looking like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and install the clip-ins, but this is the front. Guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love how this turned out. They were super easy to install and I love how lightweight they are, and the curls are just given, super bouncy. This is it. brought to you by IDN Beauty, and we've installed their 16-inch kinky curly clip-in, and I absolutely love how these turned out. It's super pretty. This is it. If you want to get these clip-ins, go ahead and click the link in my description to make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from IDN Beauty, their website will be in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this video, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.